If you're over 50 and you've started to notice stiff knees in the morning, slower reflexes, or that getting up off the floor feels harder than it used to, you're not imagining it. Most people think that's just aging, but what if I told you that in places like Japan, thousands of adults in their 80s, 90s, even hundreds are still walking daily, getting up from the floor and living independently? And here's the surprising part. Their secret isn't intense workouts or fancy supplements. It's 6 simple movements they practice every single day. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what they are and how to start doing them at home. If we haven't met before, I'm a certified fitness coach, and I specialize in helping adults over 40 and 50 build strength, balance, and mobility without beating up their joints. This topic matters because after 50, we don't just lose muscle, we lose balance, coordination, and confidence in our movement. And that loss is what often leads to falls, injuries, and eventually loss of independence. Today's video is not a sweaty workout, it's a longevity routine. These movements are low impact, beginner friendly, and require no gym and no equipment. I'll give you simple modifications if you're just starting out, and small ways to make them more challenging if you're already active. Stick with me because the final movement might be the most powerful 2 minutes you add to your day. Let's start with the one that looks the simplest. Movement 6, slow walking or sampo. Forget power walking, forget counting calories. This is slow, mindful walking. In Japan, many older adults practice a gentle morning walk at about half their normal pace. Here's how you do it. Walk slowly and deliberately. Roll your foot from heel to arch to toe. Try this breathing rhythm. Inhale for 2 steps, hold for 2 steps, exhale for 4 steps. That slower pace forces your feet and ankles to work harder. Each step activates the small stabilizing muscles that protect your balance. It also calms your nervous system, which helps lower stress and sharpen mental clarity. Start with 5 to 10 minutes. If you can, walk on grass or a natural surface. If not, a sidewalk works just fine. This isn't about speed, it's about awareness. Movement 5, Radio Taiso. Every morning in Japan, people of all ages perform a short, flowing movement routine called Radio Taiso. It's about 3 minutes long and includes arm circles, forward bends, side stretches, and gentle knee lifts. No holding poses, just smooth, continuous motion. You can recreate this easily at home. Stand tall. Circle your arms forward and back for 30 seconds. Add gentle side bends, reaching one arm overhead at a time. Follow with controlled knee lifts, alternating legs. This kind of rhythmic movement lubricates your joints. After 50, joints get stiffer faster because we sit more. Moving them daily through full range keeps them healthy. Do this right after you wake up. 3 minutes. Pajamas are fine. Movement 4, the deep squat rest. Now, let's talk about something most Americans have lost, the ability to rest in a deep squat. In many parts of Japan, older adults can comfortably sit in a deep squat with heels down and chest upright. This position strengthens your legs, opens your hips, and keeps your ankles mobile. To try it, stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. Slowly lower into a squat. If your heels lift, place a rolled towel underneath them. If you need support, hold on to a sturdy chair or door frame. Start with holding 20 to 30 seconds. Over time, build toward 1 or 2 minutes. This is not about forcing flexibility. It's about gently reminding your body how it was designed to move.
Movement 3, single leg standing. This one is simple but incredibly powerful. Stand near a wall or kitchen counter. Lift one foot just an inch or 2 off the ground. Keep your eyes focused on a point in front of you and breathe normally. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then switch legs. When you stand on one leg, your body makes hundreds of tiny adjustments. Your ankles, hips, and core all activate. Even your inner ear balance system gets involved. If you want more challenge, try turning your head slowly side to side, or lightly close your eyes for a few seconds. but only if you feel safe. You can even do this while brushing your teeth. That's how simple it can be. Movement 2. Floor sitting transitions. This next movement might be the most practical of all. Practice getting down to the floor and back up again. Start by lowering yourself into a kneeling position. Use a chair or couch for support if needed. Then carefully stand back up. Even 2 or 3 repetitions a day builds real-world strength. It challenges your legs, core, coordination, and confidence. Use a yoga mat or carpet to protect your knees and move slowly. There's no rush. Being able to get off the floor is one of the clearest signs of functional independence. Movement 1. The towel twist. Now for the movement that may surprise you. Grab a small towel. Hold it at shoulder height with both arms extended in front of you. Pull outward gently as if you're trying to tear the towel apart. Keeping that tension, slowly rotate your torso to the right. Hold for 3 seconds. Come back to center. Rotate to the left. Continue for 1 to 2 minutes. That outward pull activates your upper back and shoulder stabilizers. The twisting motion engages your core and improves spinal mobility. And because you're coordinating arms and torso together, your brain lights up too. This simple movement builds grip strength, posture control, and coordination. 2 minutes, that's it. Here's the big takeaway. None of these movements are extreme, none require a gym, none leave you drenched in sweat, but together they train the exact qualities that determine how well you age: balance, mobility, coordination, leg strength, posture, and nervous system control. In Japan, these aren't workouts, they're daily habits. That's the real secret. If you practice even 3 of these movements every day, you are sending your body a clear message. Stay strong, stay stable, stay independent. Aging isn't about fighting your body, it's about moving with it intelligently and consistently. Let's take one deep breath together. Inhale slowly through your nose. Exhale fully. You don't need 60-minute workouts. You need daily movement with purpose. Slow walking to calm and strengthen, gentle joint flow to stay mobile, deep squats to keep your hips alive, single leg balance to protect your brain and body, and floor transitions for independence, and towel twists for strength and coordination. Start small. Pick one movement today. Add another next week. Consistency beats intensity every time. If this video gave you a new way to think about aging and fitness, go ahead and like it so more adults over 50 can find it. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss simple, joint-friendly routines like this. In the comments, tell me your age and which movement you're going to start with, or ask me a specific question about balance, knee pain, or strength after 50. I read the comments and love helping you move better. And when you're ready, check out my next video on building leg strength after 50 without hurting your knees. It pairs perfectly with what you learned today. You don't have to move to Japan to age well. You just have to start moving with intention. Let's keep going together.